coming to see Dr. Wyatt, I was constantly clogged, my nose, constantly having to blow my nose. I was carrying toilet paper around with me constantly and was just miserable. I couldn't smell at all, had a hard time tasting, and it really affected my lifestyle.
Jenna has been a patient of mine for a long time now, and she has very serious problems with sinus infections, sinus polyps, allergies, and associated problems with asthma.
I wanted to find out what was going on so I could breathe better and be functional.
She has a lot of problems with chronic sinusitis, with the formation of a lot of polyps. It's driven by her allergic disease and underlying inflammation that she has all the time. One of the big problems she has is something I see very commonly where sinus problems are making asthma worse.
He explained to me that I had a lot of polyp development in my nose and that he needed to remove them so that way I could breathe better and that way everything would flow more clearly and I would be able to smell as well.
So one of the things that happens to her when her sinuses start causing trouble is her asthma gets a lot worse. I would never be able to cure her, but I would be able to dramatically improve her quality of life by cutting down on the medicine she had to take all the time, improving her breathing through her nose, her sense of smell.
Dr. Wyatt has changed my life in many ways. First of all, being able to smell my own perfume. Yeah, he's definitely changed my life. I can taste food again, I can make trips with my husband, and I can have a normal life. I love being able to smell flowers.
And she's one of those people, unfortunately, that I have not been able to go in and cure with a single surgery, but because of the minimally invasive techniques that I'm able to employ now, even though she requires surgery to clear out polyps every 18 months to 2 years or so, she's able to get that done and tolerate that with very little downtime.
He is a great doctor. I love that he explains things to me well. He shows me things. He helps me out with new medications if I'm on them. He coordinates really well with other doctors. I just love Dr. Wyatt and his team. I would definitely recommend Dr. Wyatt.